Ever wondered why some ads feel like they were made just for you? What if I tell you that generative AI is quietly running behind most modern marketing campaigns today? And if you understand this, you are already ahead in your Gen AI journey. Think about Instagram Reels, YouTube ads, LinkedIn posts. Almost every platform today is powered by content created or enhanced using generative AI. And this is happening at a massive scale right now. Marketing is one of the fastest industries to adopt generative AI because it depends heavily on creativity, speed, and personalization. And Gen AI fits perfectly into all three. So let's break this down step by step. Where exactly is generative AI used in marketing workflows today? And how companies are actually using it in real projects? The first and most obvious area is content creation. Ads, blogs, emails, product descriptions, social media posts all require content. And this is where generative AI becomes extremely powerful. Earlier, creating content required hours of brainstorming and writing, but now AI tools can generate multiple variations in seconds, giving teams a strong starting point instantly. But here is an important point. Generative AI is not replacing marketers. It is acting as a creative assistant. Think of it like a brainstorming partner. You give direction, and it generates ideas, drafts, and variations. Then, humans refine and improve the output. For example, you can ask AI to generate captions for different audience segments, like beginners, professionals, or niche communities, and it adapts the tone automatically. Today, brands are even generating short videos, thumbnails, and creatives using AI. Tools can create visuals, scripts, and voiceovers together, drastically reducing production time. The second major area is personalization. This is where generative AI becomes even more impactful, because users expect content tailored specifically to them. Instead of showing the same ad to everyone, AI can generate personalized messages for different users based on behavior, interest, and preferences. For example, e-commerce platforms show different product recommendations. Emails are customized based on your past interactions. And even push notifications are personalized. This leads to higher engagement because users feel the content is relevant to them, and that directly improves conversion rates. The third important area is SEO and discoverability. Search engines depend heavily on quality content and keywords, and generative AI helps optimize both. AI models understand natural language very well, so they can generate content that aligns with search intent, not just random keyword stuffing. They can also suggest trending keywords, generate meta descriptions, titles, and structured content, improving search rankings significantly. But better SEO means more visibility. More visibility means more traffic, and ultimately, better business outcomes. The fourth area is market research and insights. This is where data meets decision-making, and generative AI plays a key role. Companies collect massive amounts of customer data, but extracting meaningful insights is difficult. AI helps summarize and analyze this data quickly. AI can identify trends from social media conversations, detect customer sentiment, and predict future demand, helping businesses stay ahead. This allows marketers to design better campaigns, target the right audience segments, and allocate budgets more effectively. Now let's understand how this works in practice. Imagine you are launching a product online, and you want targeted marketing content. You can prompt AI with your product details, define your audience segments clearly, and even mention offers or discounts. The AI will generate multiple variations of content, tailored for each audience segment, saving hours of manual effort. And the best part is you can iterate. Ask it to improve tone, add benefits, or change messaging until the content matches your expectation. This iterative approach is very powerful because you are collaborating with the model, not just consuming its output. Now step back and think about this. Marketing requires constant content creation and updates, which is time-consuming. Generative AI takes over repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on strategy and creativity, where they add the most value. So think of this as a team. Humans define direction and vision. AI accelerates execution. And this is not limited to marketing. Every industry is adopting this human plus AI model, from development to testing to operations. So the key takeaway is simple. Start using generative AI in your daily work and treat it like a smart assistant. Ask better questions and you will get better outputs. Refine the results and build on top of them. That is how professionals use AI today. In the next video, we will explore another industry and see how generative AI is transforming real workflows there. So stay tuned. If this helped you understand generative AI in marketing, like the video and subscribe for more Gen AI fundamentals. And I will see you in the next one.